Today I've marked up gold, has some 4-hour zones. And right now it's been showing a very strong bullish trend. It broke this high here. I believe this candle closed, but I'm looking at this as a railroad. So I think one or two things could happen. It could, of course, continue on this buy trend. That's why I drew in this trend line here to show based on the line chart. So this was a W here, and then there was another. It's like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so based on that, I drew the line. What I've noticed is gold is mainly made up of M's and W's. So more than likely, I'll be taking my trades based on M's and W's. Right now, I'm not sure what this will do. I honestly think it's kind of exhausted due to this bullish trade, and then going with what I said earlier, railroad. So, but it could also continue up. Let me zoom out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade. I'm gonna go ahead and put in for a buy. Set a pending order for a buy at least. Entry there. And play this and see. So we are actively in the trade. Okay. So we are in the New York session. So my take profit, that would be oh, did I get in there twice? I guess I had another one open. So it rejected off of this zone that it broke previously. So it should continue on. Speed this up. Okay, so it has now crossed this zone. So this is its first time back to this zone. Once this candle closes, I'm going to take my money. Okay. Well, I said I was going to take my money, but This is giving me a strong indication to the upside. And let's see, what do I have? Okay, so it broke through this zone, created a new zone. Okay, so it's his first time back here, actually to this zone as well. So it broke through this zone, which would have been a daily zone. My key line was drawn correctly. So it broke through a daily, it had already broke through a monthly here. Okay, so it broke through a monthly, a daily. So we had a breakthrough here, a rejection here, then a breakthrough, a break, and rejected, and then finally broke through again. So it broke through this zone. It looks like it rejected here. Yeah. So it should come back down and retest this key line and continue up. What do I want to do? I'm going to go ahead and close out my money. Take that trade. Yep, we'll close that out and let this ride and see. Should retest this key line, and then I'll take another trade going up, depending on if it confirms this retest. So let me check the session and see. In the Asian session, so it may be some consolidation. We're doing exactly what I said. Okay, we are at the key line, retesting. Let's see what it's gonna do. Okay. Okay, so this may be forming. Too sure. So it did retest the key line. It should. I'm gonna go in for. Rejected this. First time here, rejection. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a buy. And this being as my pattern as a railroad to the bullish side, seeing that it rejected this 4-hour key line here as well. So I'm gonna put in a buy stop. So that's my take profit. I don't believe there's any zones. Okay, there we go. All right. There may be another zone there. Okay, so yeah, I think it's going to break through this zone, come up into this here. Okay, so it hasn't went outside this trend line. So I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna put this. No, that's my entry. Entry is here. Stop losses here. I'm gonna take profit is going to be about there. All right, let's see if it activates me. Oh man. In London. Okay, so I'm down right now. We're in the London session. Okay, so I got out. And let's see what this thing is doing. So it broke through that key line. Next candle open below, showing a strong move down. So let's see what we have. And it's breaking my trend line right now too. Okay, so it looks like I was just a little too early for the buy. Let's see what my line chart is showing. All right, let's zoom out. See what we have. So it just broke through that key line. in this zone. And it should continue to buy all the way up into this zone. Did have a few rejections, but the body of the candles are still above. Can I find another entry? Okay, we're in New York. Tell if there's a wick there. Okay, looks like we have some consolidation going on. All right. Price is playing around in this area. So this was once a supply zone, then it went to a demand zone. Price broke through this zone again, so that's the second time. So let's see. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can call that a morning star. Okay, I'm going to take that as a morning star. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up here. And I'm taking it up there because it may not break through, but if it breaks through, then I'll continue the trend up. It has at this point gone outside my trend line. So the daily is showing nothing I can tell at this point. So my buy stop entry there, stop loss here, take profit there. Okay, I'm going to trade and profit. I'm going to move my stop loss. Well, I would move my stop loss up in profit. Or not up in profit, but up just a tad. And continue to as it moved up in profit. Okay, negative now. Okay, we're back in profit. We'll fake out, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna stay in. All right, I hit my take profits. Let's check this out. Hell, which one was it? Okay, this one here. Close price was $17.38. So I got date was that 12 says 12/6. Close out the buy. Okay, close by TP. All right. So that was the third trade. I actually could have stayed in that one and moved my take profit up. So we're still in London. This would be my next zone. Speed this up. Okay. So it looks like we may be coming back to retest this key line. If not, the entire direction has changed. So I think we are on a downtrend now. So we have some resistance here, resistance here. This looks like a good evening start to me. So I'm gonna put in a sales stop. So entry would be there. Stop loss would be And up there. I'm gonna set the take profit. Had a couple of rejections there. Let's go to this area here in the next zone. Well, I guess that's my time. No more trades, but I'll go ahead and play this out. Oh, no, I can't.